In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sources in Streamlabs. If you're setting up a scene in Streamlabs, adding sources is one of the most important things to learn because sources are the elements that actually appear in your stream or recording. These can include things like your display, a webcam, images, text, or other visual inputs. In this example, I'll show you how to add a source using display capture, which is a common option when you want to show your screen. To begin, look for the plus icon next to the Sources section. This is where you add new items to your scene. Once you click that plus icon, Streamlabs will open a menu with different source types you can choose from. At this point, you can add whichever source fits what you need for your setup. Streamlabs gives you several options depending on what you want to show on screen. For this walkthrough, though, we'll use display capture so you can see how the process works from start to finish. Go ahead and click Display Capture from the list. After selecting it, click Add Source to continue. Streamlabs may then ask you to confirm the source creation, so click Add Source again. This creates the source and opens its settings so you can customize how it works in your scene. Next, you'll see the display selection area. If your computer has more than one monitor connected, this is where you choose which screen you want Streamlabs to capture. Make sure you select the monitor you actually want your viewers to see. If you only have one display, this part should already be straightforward. You'll also notice a capture method setting. For this example, I'm leaving the capture method on automatic. In most cases, this works well and is the easiest option, especially if you just want a quick and reliable setup without changing advanced settings. Once everything looks right, click Done. Your display capture source will now be added to the scene, and you should be able to see it inside the preview area. If needed, you can always come back later to adjust the source settings, resize it, or reposition it within your layout. That's all it takes to add a source in Streamlabs using display capture. Once you understand this basic process, it becomes much easier to build out your scenes with whatever sources you need. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.